Hi guys, now I'm gonna share a website that let you earn money just by doing survey, which is Yougov. This is the email I receive from Yougov whenever there is survey available. Yougov survey is not available every day, but it's slow, but you can still earn money from the website. It's an easy survey, easy to be done, straightforward. The reward from this website is kinda high, 5,000 points, and then you get 70 ringgit. The reward from Yougov is even higher than life points, but the sad thing is that the frequency of getting a survey is lower compared to life points. I can cash out monthly from life points, but for Yougov is like 2 or 3 months. Yeah, once 2 or 3 months. So this is the example of the survey that I do. I take about less than 5 minutes, I guess. Yeah. So this is the ending of the survey. I'm not going to show the whole questions of this survey. Now you just need to read the survey. After that, just press the arrow to submit, and then it will bring you to a page where you can see the balance of your points. Just click check your point balance, and then you can also see what rewards is available there. Now I have 1,255 points. I need 5,000 points to cash out 70 ringgit PayPal. I always get that reward. And then you can also refer to your friends by sending the link, your unique referral URL to your friend, and then after they do 6 surveys you get to 200 points. So guys, if you are interested in Yougov, doing survey in Yougov, go to the description box below. I will put my link there. And now here's the proof of payment from Yougov. As you can see, my recent cash out from Yougov is on August 2020, 25 Sing dollar, which convert here is 70 ringgit. More than 70 ringgit, I guess. Ringgit Malaysia, yeah. And that is my recent cash out. I cash out before, like a lot of times already. So guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any other videos like this. I'm also planning to try out new apps and websites that will allow me to earn money online. So if you guys have any recommendation, comment below and I will go try it out and I will share the result with you guys. Thank you.